Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at the Wltoys 12427/12428. So we're just going to go over my experience of how I found the car and what's been happening so far after I think it's been about 40 days now. So it started off really well. The car was lots of fun, really quick. Fun driving through dirt, doing jumps, was quite a strong car. So I'll put together a bit of a montage here that we can look at until we get to the next scene. So after some time it started developing a bit of a squeak. I thought maybe it would be the bearings or something like that, so I tried re-greasing a few components. It also started to run a lot slower, and then unfortunately the motor let go, so it does not work at all at this stage. So I raised a case with Banggood Support, which is the company I bought it through, and I think that was about after 40 days of ownership, thereabouts. And they responded advising that they only offer 30 days warranty, so the car, only being 40 days old, is now out of warranty and I'm needing to get it fixed now. I've had a look and a replacement motor, so I was looking at the Surpass branded motor because I've read a few good things online about them, and a replacement one is about $20 if you're willing to get it shipped from overseas, and it can take quite some time, so possibly a month wait for that. I also tried to salvage the pinion gear and motor mount, but at this stage, so the pinion gear, I think they're called a grub screw, that does not come off very easily, and most of the time you will end up stripping it. So a replacement one of those is, again, probably a few dollars, so I think about $5 once you factor in postage. So that would bring it up to $25 with the motor. Then you also may need to get a new motor mount as well, which can range between $5 and $10, again needing to wait on that postage. So all in all, that would come to about $30 to $35 to fix the car, and hopefully it would be a lot more reliable after that. The platform itself is quite good, other than the motor, which does let it down. So if you want to buy a car that you don't have to do any work to, I am thinking along the lines of a brushless car would be a lot better. I haven't had any experience with other cars other than this, so I can't make a recommendation. But something with a better branded motor or something brushless should be a lot more reliable. I also did some searching online and found that brushed motors should last about 1,000 hours. Now, I did a rough estimate on the amount of time I would have driven the car. I think I've only got about 20 hours of life from that motor, so it fell very short there. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to see the video of me installing the new motor when it arrives, leave a comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. That would be great. And thanks again for watching.